Alright guys, what is up? It is Timeless Kicks back with another video, and for today I just wanted to pick up my vlog camera and vlog a little bit. It is currently Friday, March 18th. I wanted to make a vlog of a day in the life of a sneaker reseller slash college student. Again, I'm still not feeling the best, kind of stuffy and not sounding the best, but yeah, I just kind of wanted to go over some things and yeah, just kind of vlog what I do in a day. So first off, later today I do have some sneakers coming in the mail, which I'm super stoked for. I ended up purchasing some Red Thunder 4s from Hype Closet 401. I got these in a grade school size in a 6.5Y. One thing that I really want to do for you guys is to be really transparent with what I'm doing and kind of how I go about sneaker reselling. So I ended up purchasing these Red Thunders from Hype Closet, and I got them for a total price of $270. So if we take a quick look at StockX right now, we look at the market. If we go to a 6.5Y, the lowest ask is $293, but after fees, like if you were to purchase that, they're going for $346, and I got these for $270. So already market is $293. If you were to pay on StockX with fees and everything, you're looking at a grand total of around $346. Because I was able to get them for $270, I'm looking to resell these for about $300 to $310. I'll probably list them for $310, see if I get any offers or anything like that later on in this video when they do come in the mail today, because they are expected today. I will definitely be unboxing those for you guys. So another thing that I like to do when I wake up is to just kind of post stories on my Instagram page. So what I posted today is one sneaker that I currently have in hand. Now I bought these for a personal, tried them on. They fit pretty decently, but they are a little bit snug. And these are just some Dunk Low EMB 75th anniversary in the Chicago colorway. I posted these on Instagram for about $150. And again, just being completely transparent with you guys, I bought them for $150. Reason that I'm posting them for exactly what I got them for is because there ended up being a restock. So market on these has been kind of down recently, and I don't want to post them for that much more because I don't want people to think that I'm taxing. So quite honestly, if I'm able to get what I paid for them and just break even, I would be pretty happy with that. If I'm not able to sell them, I might just hold them. I think that these could possibly go up in the future. They are a GS size and a 7Y. So we will see how that goes. But like I said, I just like to post and make stories on Instagram. Yeah, that's just kind of what I like to do, just to get my stock out. And like I said, with being transparent with you guys, there are also two other sneakers that I have on the way. I will not be able to unbox them for you guys because they are not coming in today. But again, I just kind of wanted to go over, be transparent, what I paid and what I'm hoping to sell them for. I used to not really like to use eBay, but ever since they implemented that authenticity guarantee, it has been a platform that I use a lot to make offers, throw them out there, see what I can get. On this particular sneaker, I think that I had a pretty big come up. So I definitely just want to go over what I paid and what, again, I'm hoping to resell them for. So I sent out an offer to a seller on some Union Dunks in the pistachio colorway. I made an offer of $350, not thinking that I was really gonna get them, just kind of wanted to see if maybe they'd send an offer back. But they ended up accepting my offer of $350. So after fees and everything, I paid a grand total of $386.79. Let's go on StockX real quick and we will check the market for these. So I got these in a size 8, and the current market, the lowest ask for them is $410. If you were to buy them with fees and everything, you are looking around $471. I think that I would put these up on my page for around $450, see if I get any offers and stuff like that. But I think that I got a pretty decent deal on them, and I think that I will be able to make a decent profit off of them. And the last sneaker that I have coming in is from Shoe Palace. I actually hit a restock because I was using Twitter and I got an immediate link. I ended up getting a restock on Shoe Palace, and I got the Jordan 12 playoffs in a size 7Y. Paid a grand total of $179. And again, let's just check market real quick. So market right now for a 7Y in the Jordan 12 playoff is $183. If you were to pay after fees and everything, you're looking at a grand total of $218. So I think that I might post these on my page for around $200 It's never a bad thing when you are able to hit a retail restock. So again, I'm just trying to be transparent with you guys, let you know kind of what I'm working with and stuff like that. But those are 3 shoes that I've got coming on the way. I have one on the side right now, those Dunks. Those Red Thunder 4s should be coming in today, so I definitely will be unboxing those for you. Alright guys, so we got our shipment in. I just took the label off, so don't know my address, but let's unbox these real quick. Again, shout out Hyped Closet 401 for the deal. We got the Jordan 4 Red Thunders in a grade school size of 6.5. Here they are. This is actually my first time taking a look at them. These are so nice. I really, really like these. So here's just a closer up look. Super sick colorway. So I'm just going to show you guys real quick the process that I go through of uploading it to my Instagram page and posting it for sale. So the background that I use is just a Lyrical lemonade rug that I got a little bit ago. Just because Cole Bennett is the GOAT and love the stuff that he does, so really like this rug a lot. But let's post this to Instagram, see if we can get any offers. So this is my story. I just like to do the boomerangs. Posted them for $3.10 shipped, and I'm actually just gonna highlight this to my available sneakers. Alright guys, so it is currently 12 o'clock and I have a class at 12:30, so I'm just gonna head to class now. I don't really want to go, but we normally get out pretty early anyways, so just gonna get through it. So I'll see you guys probably later this afternoon. It is actually like so nice out today. I think it's almost like 60 degrees out today. It's so nice. Alright, so we're on campus. Just gonna go to class in a couple minutes. Not really looking forward to it, but you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, you know? Alright guys, so just got out of class. I just gotta stop at the mall real quick, so I gotta go to Target, and I think that's pretty much about it. Yeah, I don't really know what else I'm gonna do today. It is a really nice day, and I don't really want to waste it, but I don't really know what to do, so. Alright guys, I'm back home. I finished up class. I was actually able to finish all my homework for the weekend as well, so I can really focus on sneaker investments and stuff like that. But I think that pretty much wraps up the video. I know that I don't have the biggest sneaker stock or the craziest amount of profit margins or anything like that. I'm just starting to get back into it again, so yeah, let me know what you guys think. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon.